I'll be back in a little while.
Hello and welcome to episode 7 of The Drinking Geek. I am Justin, The Drinking Geek, and today we are going to be diving into one of my favorite Dungeons & Dragons stories I've ever seen. Adventure time. Alright, so today's ingredients are as follows. To start, we have limoncello. We have sweet and sour mix, an entire lemon, triple sec liqueur, as well as triple sec syrup. And of course, it will be blended on ice. Today's drink is called the Lemon Grab, but I promise you it will not be unacceptable! Alright, as always, we have our meticulous measure and pour. Lots of fun. Let's do this. Alright, so we are going to start with our sweet and sour. Give it a little shake first. You always want to make sure it is shaken well after removal. We're going to do 1.5 ounces. Pour it on ice. Fantastic, and then it's put that right back there. Next, we're going to put in our triple sec liqueur. This one will also be 1.5 ounces. Oh yeah. Up next, we have our limoncello. Let's see if I can get the bunk noise. Unacceptable! Not really. So for the limoncello, we are going to do 1 ounce. This is very strong. If you don't know what limoncello is, it's a mixture of simple syrup, lemon juice, and Everclear.
I want that. So spicy.
So you want to be very careful with this. So only 1 ounce. Don't be scared. It's gonna be delicious. Our final ingredient of, nope, not even the final ingredient because I still got lemon to use. We have our triple sec orange syrup instead of liqueur so that we can add some much needed sweetness to this drink. We're gonna do another 1.5 ounces. Here it goes.
Nah, that's all fine.
Beautimous. Here is the final ingredient. 1/2 of a lemon. We're just gonna pour as much juice as we can into it. All right, let's put that right back where we found it. Up next, we're going to blend it until smooth. So once we have finished blending, we are going to pour it into our clear glass. Beautiful. There's a little extra, but don't worry about that. And finally, we're going to top it off with a actual lemon head. Ta-da. So what about the taste? Let's find out. Okay. It's very nice. You can't taste any Everclear, just in case you're wondering. It almost tastes like a lemon head. Like the candy, it's fantastic. I love it. And it's nice, cool, and refreshing.
You've been gone for so long.
Yeah. Like I said, this drink, definitely acceptable. All right, if you've enjoyed this episode, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share with all of your friends. I'm Justin, the Drinking Geek, and I'll see you next week. Bye.